In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attribute leads into GoHighLevel. If you want to know which campaigns, channels, or ads are generating results, proper attribution starts with the form your leads fill out. I'll walk you through building a simple, reliable form in GoHighLevel that's set up to capture the data you need. First, head to your GoHighLevel account and open your locations dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Sites and click it. This is where your websites, funnels, and forms live. Inside Sites, choose Forms. Forms are the bridge between a visitor and your CRM record, so this is the ideal place to capture attribution details alongside contact info. Click Create Form to spin up a new form. You'll see options to start from scratch or pick from templates. Templates can speed you up if you already have a layout you like. But for this walkthrough, choose Start from Scratch so you can see exactly what's being added and why. Then click Create to open the form builder. Inside the builder, use Quick Add to drop in your essentials. Add fields like name, email, and phone so every submission creates or updates a contact with clean, actionable data. Keep labels clear and concise to reduce friction for your visitors. Next, click Add Object Fields. This is where you bring in the fields that store your attribution details inside the contact record. Look for and add the fields your team relies on for reporting, things like source, medium, and campaign. If your account already uses custom fields for attribution, they'll appear here as well, and you can map them directly into the form. Place these fields logically, often below the primary contact fields, and consider which ones should be visible versus hidden depending on your tracking setup. Now, make your edit. Tidy up the layout, align spacing, and update placeholders so each field is unambiguous. Rename labels to match your reporting terminology, and toggle required only where absolutely necessary to avoid hurting conversion rates. Adjust the button text and confirmation message to set expectations after submission. As you refine, think about consistency. Use the same field names you reference in your dashboards, and keep capitalization and spelling uniform to prevent cluttered reports. That's it. You've created a form in GoHighLevel designed for accurate lead attribution, ready to capture both contact details and the campaign data that explains where each lead came from. Use it in your sites or funnels, and you'll be set up for clearer, more confident reporting.